How to add cookie banner to your Shopify. So first, all you have to do is to log in, or if you don't have an account yet, then sign up to Shopify. So once you're here, what you're going to do is to simply locate this ad application, tap this one. Now, after you tap this, you have to click this Shopify App Store. Here, you can search different application that you want to install to your Shopify store. So let's just say you have to look for cookies, like we want to add cookie banner in our Shopify store. So simply type cookies right here and then click enter or search. Then you will see the samples or the results for cookies here. So let's just say you're going to add this GDPR compliance. So, anyways, if you don't know what cookie means, so a cookie banner is a notice that appears on a website informing users about cookies and requesting permission to gather and check their data. So, for example, you want to add this one, simply click this install button right here, and you can also scroll down to see more information about this platform or this application. So after you click install, then it will take you directly to another page where you need to install again because this application needs access to the following here. So once you're okay with that, click install, wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. So here, of course, you have to click this free get started. If you want to upgrade, and then you can tap from any of these plans later. So click get started. And then after that, you have to choose the region you want to show the cookie bar. So you can choose from any of the following here, or you can enable this globally. But this time for this tutorial, let's just choose this LGBT first. Tap this one and then click next. Okay, so after choosing the region where you want to show or you can skip this one if you want to do it later. Now you can create custom designs after the quick setup. So you can choose from any of the custom designs right here. So you can see the preview. Then once you're okay with that, then you just have to click, for example, this one off white. And then after that, click next. Now choose which cookies to be blocked on initial visit. So you can choose from any of this, or you can simply tap the skip all store cookies until visitor opts out. Tap this one and then click next. And then summary, you can preview. And then if you want to edit, just tap this pencil icon here to edit something. But once you're okay with that, all you have to do is to click at this finish setup right here. So wait as it is processing. Then as you can see here, almost done. You just have to enable app embed. So you have to click this one. It will take you back to your Shopify store. And all you have to do is just toggle this one on. And then once you turn this one on, click save, then wait to go. If you go back to your Shopify homepage, then all you have to do is to refresh this one, then finally, you will see this that your cookie bar is now up and running. As easy as that. So you can simply review everything here. So if you go to your Shopify store, then obviously it is already there. It is already built into your Shopify store. So I do really hope that this video somehow helped you. That's how easy it is to add cookie banner to your Shopify. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.